The Sawyer Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The Sawyer Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The Sawyer Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a Sawyer squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter, or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source, or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. Sawyer filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again. Cleaning the Sawyer Mini is really simple. You just take the included cleaning plunger and fill it up with some filtered water. Then take the Mini and insert the tip of the plunger into the end of the filter, opposite of the flow arrow. Then forcefully push the water back through the Mini. You repeat this process a couple times until the water comes through clear and easy and you have a clean filter. If you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you, so send us an email to feedback@sawyer.com.
We designed the Trail-based water filter kit to be the most versatile backcountry water filter system ever. With its ability to transform from a trail filter into a gravity system, it's perfect for adventurers who explore the backcountry in multiple ways. The Trail-based filter kit features 3 modular components that allow it to be used as a small trail filter for fast and light adventures or a complete gravity system at camp. And its clean reservoir offers ultra-light water storage. For hiking, trail running, or any fast-paced backcountry objective, the small trail filter is the ultimate water filter. With its quick deploy design, you can drink instantly from water sources along the trail. Then fill up your water bottles and get moving quickly again. The trail filter delivers 1 liter of clean water in just 60 seconds. This pocket-sized filter gives you the freedom to go farther and move faster. It provides the clean water you need in a solution that won't weigh you down. When it's time to filter larger volumes of water, the trail filter transforms into a complete gravity system. Simply attach the gravity components to the trail filter. Add the clean reservoir and let gravity do the work while you multitask or relax. The trail-based filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella. The filter lasts up to 2,000 liters depending on water conditions for seasons worth of clean water. The reservoirs are made of a durable, lightweight construction with rugged RF welded seams. The clean reservoir is equipped with our 3-in-1 cap for easy drinking and pouring. Whether you're trail running, hiking, mountain biking, or camping, the trail-based water filter kit offers incredible versatility, ensuring you have the clean water you need in a solution that's perfect for your pursuit. The trail-based kit is ready for whatever your adventure brings.
When you want taste and hassle-free hydration in the backcountry, Platypus's line of award-winning Gravityworks filters provides portable and dependable filtration on any adventure. To get clean water, just fill the high-capacity reservoir, hang it, and let gravity do the filtering. No pump required. Designed and labeled for ease of use, the Gravityworks has several thoughtfully designed features for carrying or dispensing water, and a simple process of air purging and backflushing that can easily be done in the field. The filter delivers up to 1 3/4 liters of potable water per minute, ready for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Our unique 2-reservoir system doubles your water capacity, adding versatility and efficiency to your filtration needs. The hundreds of tiny hollow fibers inside the microfilter efficiently remove bacteria and protozoa per the US EPA NSF Protocol P231 throughout its lifetime. As gravity pushes water through these fibers, pathogens are trapped, unable to pass through the tiny pores of the fibers. Pores so small, they're invisible to the naked eye. This offers faster filtering than other designs and offers reliable performance in eliminating harmful protozoa such as E. coli and Giardia. The performance of the Gravityworks has been proven time and time again, not just in the backcountry, but also in our on-site water lab. Our team of scientists in Seattle test and validate the Gravityworks to ensure you're getting the highest quality hydration available. For your trips to the backcountry, the ultra-compact system packs down smaller than most 1-liter water bottles, saving space and weight in your pack. Gravityworks is available in multiple sizes with optional accessories so you can choose the right fit for your adventure and group size. Spend less time filtering water and more time enjoying the outdoors. The Platypus Gravityworks water filter.
This is the LifeStraw Flex Filter with Gravity Bag. Just fill the bag with water from here, or here, or here. Roll it up, hang it up, and enjoy safe drinking water just like that. The Flex Filter with Gravity Bag is a compact, lightweight, and versatile water filtration system. And we mean versatile. The LifeStraw Flex with Gravity Bag includes the 1-gallon Gravity Bag with leak-proof quick connector, a 27-inch hose with quick connector, the LifeStraw Flex Filter, and a syringe for backwashing. The Flex Filter with Gravity Bag can be used in 4 ways. Use it with the Gravity Bag, as a standalone straw, with a plastic bottle, or in line with a hydration bladder. Trusted by outdoor adventurers, international travelers, and emergency response workers, the Flex Filter with Gravity Bag has been used and tested all over the world. Drinking water straight from these sources sound risky? It's not. We've taken similar technology that we use to provide safe drinking water to millions here and just put it here. With this technology, water passes through a membrane microfilter with microscopic pores that traps bacteria, parasites, microplastics, dirt, and sediment. Then, an activated carbon plus ion exchange filter absorbs chemicals and bonds to heavy metals like lead, reducing even more contaminants from your drinking water. Your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product purchased, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Everyone needs safe water. Stay safe. Pack a LifeStraw.
The Katadyn 3-liter BeFree filtration system features technology from our award-winning BeFree 0.6-liter, with additional volume to make accessible drinking water on long backpacking missions or for cooking around camp a breeze. Packed with features, the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask delivers smash, stash, and go water filter for extended outdoor activities. Water purification has never been this simple or compact. The BeFree filter uses Katadyn Easy Clean filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria even in the most challenging water conditions. The BeFree filter is designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of backflushing or carrying clumsy tools. It is the only microfilter that cleans easily with a shake or a swish through your water source to remove dirt and debris. The V-shape provides faster flow when pouring. The bail handle is designed to be submerged for easy filling in a lake or stream. The carry handle makes filling simple and is the perfect method of carrying water from the creek, stream, or lake back to camp. Graduation marks on the 3-liter BeFree flask will make your measurements precise. Free flow channels provide sophisticated clean drinking water at a rate of 2 liters per minute with a simple squeeze. 2 hanging holes near the handle can attach to carabiners, ropes, or straps for carrying and hanging the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask. Its compact design and small storage footprint means it will easily fit in your backpack, camping kit, or hydration bladder compartment. Smash, dash, and go with the Katadyn 3-liter BeFree flask for every adventure.